Good morning. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree?
Yes.
Co-creation at its best. You, your inner being, all of us. You're knowing what you're wanting. It feels good to focus that, doesn't it? Do you believe that you focus upon your desires often? Do you think about what you want? Do you think you're thinking about what you want, or do you think you're thinking about where you are in relationship to what you want? Because that's an important distinction. Because law of attraction is responding to you. So if your awareness is upon where you are, I don't have enough money, or I don't have enough lover, or I don't have enough of something, enough time. If you are in that shortage consciousness attitude, even though you might think that you're thinking about what you want, because of course, when you don't have enough of this, you want more of it. So it seems logical to you that it should be obvious to the universe that when I'm upset about something missing, you ought to be able to figure it out that I want it not to be missing. Or if I'm upset about something that is present that I don't want, you ought to be able to figure it out that I don't want that I want something different from that. But we want you to know that the universe is taking you at your vibrational offering, not at your verbal proclamation, because this is a vibrational universe, and a vibrational universe is based upon vibration, and the law of attraction is what manages those vibrations. So if you feel not enough of something, even though you want something other than what you've got, if your awareness is upon what you've got, you can't get to where you want to be. That's why all those conversations of complaining and stating your case are not working out very well for you. You have to talk about and feel about and think about what you prefer. And it isn't as difficult as you might think, although it isn't the habit that most have. It takes a little bit of focus to focus yourself into a different habit. It's really a very good feeling game to play with yourself, however, because when you are focusing upon what you prefer or what you want rather than upon its absence, you feel good. When you're focusing upon its absence, you don't feel good. And the reason for that is because when you ask for something, the inner part of you focuses then only upon that. Your inner being never looks back. Your inner being never justifies. Your inner being is advocating on your behalf all the time, but your inner being isn't making a plea to the universe. Oh, please, she really needs this. We know that she's in a really negative place, but just let her be the exception and give her what she really wants, even though her vibration is all about what she doesn't want. Law of attraction is always responding to what your vibrational offering is. You set your tuner to a frequency, and that's what comes back, period. You set your tuner to a frequency, and that's what comes back. And the way you set your tuner is by what you're focused upon, what you're thinking about. And so that's worth thinking about. It's worth paying attention, not so much to what you're thinking, that'll make you a little crazy, but to how you feel in response to what you're thinking. Have you been listening to us for a while?
Yes.
Do you believe that you have a basic understanding of this body of work?
Yes.
Attraction based, you are the attractor. Then what do you think about getting right to the new things that are on your mind? What is it you want to talk about? Let's go right there. Let's go right there. Oh, never mind. No, this is going to be a really good day. Begin right here. Yes?